Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 1.3. Write the following intervals in the set builder form. So let's take the first one. The value is between -3 and 0. Remember the set builder form, we will start usually like this. X is such that x belongs to R. So that much is done. Now they're saying the value of x lies between -3 and 0. And there is a simple bracket, which means both -3 and 0 are not part the value of x. So I will simply write this as -3 less than x less than 0. So this will be the set builder for the first one. Now let's take up the second one. So in the second case, let's start with the set builder notation. So x such that x belongs to R. Now they're given a square bracket between 6 and 12, which means both 6 and 12 is part of the range. So I'm going to say this is going to be +6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to +12. You can ignore the +12 and just write 6 and 12. So that's also fine. So this is going to be the set builder notation for the second one. Now let's take up the set builder for the third one. So since it is set builder, so we will start this as x such that x belongs to R. Now you see 6 is not part of the one, but 12 is given within square bracket. So we are going to write this as 6 less than x less than or equal to 12. Because 12 is part of it, I have to put an equal to sign also here. So this is going to be for the third one. Now let's take the last one. So you have to start with the set builder notation x such that x belongs to R. Now they have given an inclusive sign for -23, whereas on the 5 they have given a simple bracket. So it is going to be -23 less than or equal to x less than 5. In all the cases, I have used only the variable x in the set builder notation. You can also use any other variables of your choice. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.